watching. It's Livy from the Slime Sisters. So as it is Tuesday, which is my day, I decided to show you my top 10 favourite slime. If you're waiting for a top 10 least favourite slimes, I'm probably not going to do it because I don't have least favourite slimes, but if you guys want me to, I'll do it. So let's get on to the video. So I chose this silly sludge slime to be my top 10 one, just because it's watery, but other than that, it's really nice to play with, and it's really nice to play with actually, and yeah. So, and it goes quite easily, and such, just that. However, a lot of slimes don't. My ninth is my galaxy slime, mainly because it's watery, but however, it's beautiful in colouring. That's how it bet my other slime, because it's beautiful and nice and galaxy. And if you live in Australia, I actually got this at Spotlight. So that was mould. I was like, no. So I got this at Spotlight for like $2. I'm not even joking. So yeah.
My eighth favourite slime is this noise putty, and is basically a regular putty as you would see a lot of places. So we're just going to undo this. It's quite cool. I also have a red and a yellow one, I believe, like this. But yeah. This is a little bit watery, not that watery. It's a nice texture to play with. It's really nice. It's a very nice deep blue. I love this one a lot. And yeah, this one goes in quite easily, but you need to push it, and it kind of makes that sound, but it doesn't really matter.
My seventh isn't really a slime, but it's this unicorn magic novelty food. I love this simply because of the colouring, and it's like a mixture of slime and putty, because you can rip it apart and it will be like this, but also it's not as hard as it. It's just a nice texture. And this is a cute container. It says unicorn food, and then it says novelty around it. And yeah. My fifth one is this Dr. Wacko's Mad Lab Yellow, simply because I love it. Sorry, sixth one, not fifth. This is more one of my watery ones. It's not really the best texture, but it's really fun to play with, and you can't really do slime poking videos, if you know what I mean. Because like, you can't really poke the slime, but I recommend all my slimes that I have. It's just that I have some favourites, and I'm not trying to pick favourites. These are really hard to get in the container. Oh god. So that one went in. It's like to the bottom. I'll show you me putting it in. And it's my next one is the Dr. Wacko's Mad Lab Blue, just because of the colour, it beats the yellow. Yeah, I won't take it out as it's really hard to get in, and you saw me take the yellow one out. The next one, I forget the number, I think it's 4, is the Dr. Wacko's Mad Lab Purple, and I'm not taking it out for the same reason. The next one, ranks the first out of all my Dr. Wackos, is the Dr. Wacko's Mad Lab Pink. Not taking it out for the same reason. My next favourite I'm currently getting out though is this noise putty in yellow. Guys, this is like legit, oh god, it's so nice to play with. Like, I really recommend this because it's like the best to play with. And it doesn't even say on the packaging, but it's banana scented and it smells so good. You can do slime poking videos, if I may call it that, which I'll be having some up with this. And I'm going to definitely, next time we go to the shop that we got it from, I'm definitely getting all the colours, because it's so good. And it's by the Noise Putty Fluff one, so get it if you're into slime. Next is the same brand, but in pink, and no, this is not strawberry scented, but this just simply beats the yellow because of its colour, and is more nicer to play with, and it makes a better sound when you play with it, like that. And I love it. This is my favourite one that I have so far, and yeah. I'm just trying to say that I don't really have favourites, but for some things you have to pick favourites, and I've picked them as my top 10. So yeah. By the way, the things in my background then, this is my dad's theatre room, but I decided I want to film in here because it's the quietest room in the house. And yeah. Yeah, next I'll be doing a review on something, but you have to wait and find out. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.